Okay, bye. I'm recording it.
Hello. Ow! Come on.
Yep.
Hi.
Bye.
Oops.
What?
Hello, my name is Carolina Valencia.
Okay. What do you mean?
Come on. Hey. It's her birthday. It's fun.
Yeah. Hi. What?
She's just chit-chatting with her friends because her other friend is bored, and so they're chit-chatting. Just come on, I'm being
Wait.
She's taking too long with her chit-chat friend. Come on.
Okay, talk. I don't really understand what you're saying. Bye. Finally.
Stop chit-chatting.
I'm already done.
Say something. Say something, Audrey.
I was talking to my friend.
Yeah, her name is Quinn. She went home. They're neighbors.
Kind of neighbors.
Kind of neighbors.
Okay, now do something silly.
Why don't you do something silly? I'm in her house right now. Come on, be nervous.
I don't know what to say.
Just say anything.
I'm bored. Bye. Okay, seriously, done? Done yet?
Ciao. Go.